So today I wanted to do a little nail art video with you all, and I wanted to play around with my new Uber Chic Lovely Leaves 4 stamping plate. I got this a couple weeks ago, I think, and I just wanted to do, I'm so sorry if you all cannot see what I'm doing here, the lights are really causing glare. But I'm going to play with these images right here, these leaves. These are like little double stamping leaves. I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick what I'm going to be using for nail polishes, and then we'll jump on into the nail art itself. So, for my base color, I'm going to be using OPI's Oh My Majesty. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. And this is just a really pretty white, and it's got really pretty red shimmers in it. And I'm going to use that as my base. And then for the base for the leaves, I'm going to be using red, orange, and red, yellow, and green. And if I need orange, I will mix two colors. These are Bundle Monster stamping polishes, and yeah, my red looks kind of rough, but I'm going to be using these over top of the white. Whoops. And here is the green. And then here's a brown, just in case I want to use for like a brown leaf. And then like over top of that, I want to do like metallic for the stems of the leaves. So I'm going to use Go for Gold by Hansen Insta-Dry. So that is everything I'm going to be using. Let's go ahead and get into the part where I apply my base coat, and then we will go from there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my first coat of OPI's Oh My Majesty, and it's been a long time since I wore this nail polish. It is so pretty and just gorgeous, and is definitely a dupe for Essie Sweet Souffle, I think. There's the first coat of OPI Oh My Majesty. Alright, let's go ahead and go in for the second coat of OPI Oh My Majesty, and then we will jump on into the nail art portion. I didn't want to flood my cuticle, but I did. For some reason it's going on a lot streakier than I remember. Alright, I'll be back soon. I'm going to have to do one more coat off camera, and then I'll be back to start with the nail art. Alright, so I have my nails painted with Oh My Majesty by OPI, and yes, my cuticles are dry. I'm going to put some cuticle oil on here in a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and top coat, and then I will show you what I'm going to do with the nail art. So I will be right back. Alright, so I was just playing around and testing out my yellow and red together, and I think I'm going to start with a red leaf. I was going to try and mix the colors, but I'm not really happy with how that turned out. So let's go ahead and get started. I did top coat my nails, and I'm going to go ahead and start with this red leaf. I kind of want them off center of my nail, like I don't want them like all on my nail. You'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some nail polish on here, and this is what you stamp first with these images. And I forgot to put on my latex barrier or whatever. Oh boy, it's gonna be a mess. Uh-oh. There. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on right here. Okay, and I'm going to clean my stamper, and then we'll go ahead for the second layer of the image, and that's going to be the stem, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the stem part. I'm using Hansen Insta-Dry and Go for Gold. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on there, scrape, and get this placed. Alright, let's go ahead and place this. Alright, and there is our stem. So there is the first leaf, and I'm gonna go ahead and do probably one more, like the edge of one on my nail so you can see me do it again. I'm gonna do a yellow leaf on here as well on my ring finger, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a yellow leaf. A little bit nervous because I really like how that red leaf turned out, but we'll see. Go ahead and stamp this on there. I just don't know where I want it yet. Just a minute. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and place this over here. I kind of just want them haphazardly placed all over, and I'm gonna have to push that down because it dried on the stamper. There. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lines on it, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and put the outline of the leaf. I'm just gonna scrape it to the side. Oh, that didn't pick up. I'll be right back. Alright, and there is the finished nail. I'm going to go ahead and finish up and do my other fingernails, and then I will be back to show you the finished product or the finished manicure. I am really happy with how this turned out. I think I'm just going to stick with the yellow and red. I really like how that looks, and I just honestly I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for the leaves to change and cooler weather. So I'll be right back with the rest of my nails done and the finished photo, or the picture to show you the finished product. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys, here is the finished manicure, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I love the yellow and the red leaves. They're so pretty. I would imagine that if you had like a burnt orange metallic magnetic polish, that would be really pretty as like the base leaf, and then highlight it with black. Or this turned out so good. Let me know what you all think of these kinds of videos. Do you like this way I'm doing this nail art? I'm really interested to hear your input. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below of how these turned out. And everything that I use, it will all be linked down below. So I will talk to you all soon, probably at the end of the week. So see ya.